Go to your browser and search for OBS Studio, download and open this first link. And here select your operating system to download the OBS Studio. So in my case, I'm selecting Windows, and here I'm clicking on download installer. And we can see the OBS Studio installer is now downloading. So once it's successfully downloaded, go ahead and install the OBS Studio on your PC. Once you installed OBS Studio, go ahead and launch OBS Studio and you get this kind of interface. Now to screen record using OBS Studio, select a scene, or if you want to create a new scene, just click this plus icon and rename the scene Screen Record. Then click on OK. And now select the screen record scene and under sources, click this plus icon. And here to record your computer screen, you can select display capture or you can select window capture. So the best option to record your computer screen using OBS Studio by using this display capture option. And then click on OK. And here, capture method, click this drop down and select your desktop. Or you can select automatic and then display. Go ahead and select your display. And if you want to record or capture your computer screen with your cursor, then must check capture cursor option here. Now click on OK. And here we can see my screen successfully added and showing on OBS Studio. Now, if you want to also record your screen with your audio input and output, again click this plus icon under sources. And to capture your input, then select audio input capture. Okay. Now click this device drop down and select the input device or microphone. Click on OK. And to capture your screen with output audio, again click this plus icon. This time select audio output capture. OK. And select your output device or your speaker. Now click on OK. And you have successfully added your display, your audio input and your output device. It's time to record our display. So click on start recording. And we can see the recording successfully started. Now you can minimize your OBS Studio. And now just go ahead and work any job on your display and OBS is now recording your entire screen. And to stop recording, go back to your OBS Studio, click on stop recording. And now to find all of your recording files, click on file and click on show recordings. And it directly jump into your OBS screen records video files. So here you find all of your recorded video. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.